Okay, welcome to TechiesReign Skills Academy, and in this video, you're going to be looking at favicon and web pages. Okay, if you look at our image here, you can see the mail icon or symbol here at the top of the browser. Okay, that's what we call the favicon. Okay, so most web pages or all web pages have this favicon. Okay, and it's good that we put it on our own web page also. Okay, so we want to look at what the favicon is and how it works and how it can be added. Okay, we have seen what it is, we have seen the practical view of it. Okay, so to add favicon to your website, either save favicon image to the root directory of your web server or create a folder in the root directory called images and save your favicon image in this folder. A common name for a favicon is favicon.ico. Okay, so next add a link element in your index.html file after the title element. Okay, so you know your index.html file is your home page, right? So it's always your home page because it's your index page. Okay, so we're going to add the favicon image right inside our head before or after our title, rather. Okay, to come after our title. So let's quickly practicalize that. So we want to take this code, okay, or we might not take this code. What this is just what we need here. This is just, although we are going to be changing some things from here. So let's head to our VS Code. Okay, so we have our title here. Okay, so we want to have it after our title. Okay, good. So we are going to paste that code here. Okay, but if you decide to run it, let's run it, and we come to our web browser, we'll see that all we still have here is our the global sign, the global sign. Put it that way, the global sign. You can see it here. So the web sign or the web icon is what we have here. Okay, so and the reason is because these images and favicon.io, we don't have it in our own images folder here. Okay, we have a different thing in our own folder here, so definitely it will not show. Okay, so the best we want to do is let's cancel this. Okay, so then we want to write our own images. Okay, images / images, then / example.webp. Okay, so then we save that